Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to use free internet without recharge. Imagine browsing the internet, streaming or even gaming online without spending a dime on internet data. Sounds amazing, right? So today I'll reveal safe and legal ways to use free internet. No recharge required, so let's dive right in. Let's start with method number 1, using public Wi-Fi. So public Wi-Fi is one of the easiest ways to access free internet. So many places like the cafes, libraries, airports, and even the parks offer free Wi-Fi. But then here's a trick to make the most use of it, okay? So you can use apps like Wi-Fi Map or InstaBridge to locate free Wi-Fi hotspots near you. So wherever you are, depending on your location, just open these apps and they have the ability to scan free Wi-Fi that are available to you. You can connect and start browsing for free. But then if you are done connecting to a public Wi-Fi, the next thing for you to do is to protect yourself. Use a VPN like Proton or Privado VPN to secure your data while you are browsing on public networks, okay? And the pro tip is that save the password to use it automatically next time you are nearby, okay? All right, so let's move to method number 2 by using zero-rated platforms. A zero-rated app or website is an app that is sponsored by one of the internet service providers. So what it means is that you get to use the app for whatever services it offers for free without consuming your own data, okay? Right, so many ISPs now offer zero-rated platforms, websites or apps that don't consume your data balance at all. So for example, MTN Free Basics gives you access to platforms like Facebook and Wikipedia for free. So they have the Ayoba app that you can listen to music, play your favorite games, and access to your favorite articles without using your own data, okay? Airtel users often get free browsing on their official app or other partner sites. So what you need to do is to visit your internet service provider's website and they will list their zero-rated platforms that you can start using for free. And now this brings us to method number 3, using offline browsing apps. So offline browsing apps are a lifesaver for saving data. Now you can use apps like YouTube or Google Maps to download videos and maps while you're on free Wi-Fi. And then once downloaded, you can watch videos, navigate, or even read articles offline. No data is required. So what you need to do is to visit YouTube and then search through your favorite videos, download them when you are connected to the free Wi-Fi. Then later on, when you don't have data, you can come and watch those videos for free. And the same thing applies to Google offline maps. So let's say if you are planning on taking a trip to a different city and then you suspect the network on the way might drop or you might not have data, then once you are connected to the public Wi-Fi and then you have free internet, you can download the route about the city, and then when you're about to travel, then you can access the maps to the city for free without using your data, okay? So there are other apps like Pocket and My Mind. They allow you to save your favorite articles or web pages and then read them later without internet access, okay? So once you have free internet now, you can browse the internet, you save your favorite articles, your web pages to your My Mind or Pocket app, and then later on when you don't have data at all, you can still get back to these web pages and read your articles without internet access, okay? Right, and this brings us to the final method, using ISP free data offers. Did you know most internet service providers offer free data as part of their promotions? For example, MTN Ghana provides bonus data for first-time app users. If this is your first time using their My MTN app, after signing up for an account, they are going to offer you some free data to use. The same thing if you are going to use their new Momo app. After downloading the app and signing up, they are going to send you 500 megabytes for the first time, okay? Right, so the same thing applies to Airtel Tigo. Run some promos where you can get free browsing data for social apps like WhatsApp and Facebook, okay? Right, so now yours is to find these offers. So make sure you check your internet service provider app or website and look out for these promos or these offers that you can get free data. Okay, right, so look for promo periods as well, as these offers often are seasonal. Okay, right, so but before you start exploring, here are some few safety tips that you need to pay attention. Always use a VPN to secure your data on public Wi-Fi networks. Okay, avoid entering sensitive information like your passwords on public Wi-Fi, and also be cautious of fake apps promising unlimited free internet. They might be scams and they are there to steal your personal data. Okay, right, so stay safe and stay connected. All right, so now it is your turn. Try these methods and comment below which one worked best for you, and then let me know your country and network. I'd love to tailor tips just for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and then hit the bell icon for more internet tricks. See you in the next video, and then stay safe and goodbye.